Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a demo slash review trial of the Wet n Wild Lash-O-Matic. I got this at Target. You can get it at any drugstore. So it says it's new. This is the first time I've ever seen or heard of it. It is a mascara and fiber extension kit. So basically you have your mascara over here and it's steps 1 and 3, and step 2 is over here. The fiber that you put on your lashes to lengthen them and make them more voluminous. I usually wear my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal. I've worn this for 5-6 years now, no joke. I've been in the market for something that could kind of be so good that I don't have to wear falsies anymore. When I top off a makeup look, when I'm trying to go glam, I have to wear my falsies, and I am obsessed with the Ardell Wispies, but I cannot stand gluing on lashes. It literally is the bane of my existence. It holds me up. I swear to God, James gets so mad when I'm like, I'm almost ready, bae. I just gotta put my lashes on. He's like, ugh. Like sometimes they're stuck to my finger, glue's on my hands, glue kind of doesn't come off at the end of the day, and the next day I go to wake up and it's like my eyes glued shut. It's just not pretty. Me and glue don't get along. So I've been looking for an alternative, and I'm going to try it out today with you guys. Don't know if this is going to be an alternative at all, but we're gonna find out together. I'm actually going to use this on one of my eyes, and I'm going to put my falsies on the other, and I'm going to do a comparison. Then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna take the falsies off and I'm going to put my Maybelline on. And I really wanna see, like, I'm gonna do like a trio of experimentation, because I gotta get down to the bottom of this. I need to know what's gonna work for me, because I gotta step up this lash game. I can't. All right guys, so let's open this thing up. Oh, they make it look like the same size, but they ain't. This one's 10 times tinier. This is the Prime and Seal, and this is what it looks like, just so you guys can see what the little bristles look like. Step 1, prime. Here we go. It's prime. Oh. Come on. Already they look pretty good. Okay guys, so this is what we got so far. Step 1 is complete. Let's move on to step 2. Okay, step 2 are the lash fibers. What are fibers? Like what is it? What? I am going to open this again. This time I'm putting it right next to the microphone because y'all need to hear what this sounds like when it opens up. Ready? That is some fiber ASMR right there. This is so cray. It looks like somebody took this mascara wand and cleaned out the lint in their dryer with it. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, so step 2, here we go. Oh. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna try to keep them on the ends because I really do want these fibers to make these lashes longer, baby. I want long lashes. It's looking like, oh, well, I was going to say that it didn't get in my eye yet, but I just poked myself right up in it. So just be careful and don't be like a clumsy like me. Okay, I think I got the fibers on. Let's go back to step 3. Yeah, even putting mascara on, I'm not good. I'm gonna be honest with you. I get it all up on my eyeball. I think we got our final product. Okay, I like it. Honestly, it looks pretty good. So far it looks good, you guys. I like it. What do you think? It's pretty nice. I could definitely see how those fibers just cling right on, because my lashes are not naturally that long, for sure. I can feel the top of my lashes hitting up here, and they never actually do that normally, I don't think. So yeah, this is cool. They definitely extended it, and it looks just thicker overall. So now let me put my falsies on the other eye. Now I'm curious, I wanna compare. Oh God, I hate glue. Does anybody else put the wrong lash on the wrong eye? Or is that just me? Oh. Well, what do we have here? That's really interesting. So here we have my falsies on this side and then the Wet n Wild Lash-O-Matic. So, I mean, the falsies obviously give it more length and they look a little bit less clumped together. There's definitely a difference, but it's just, the falsies just more or less look like a blooming flower, if you will. And this one's just more of like a baby flower. Now I'm gonna take this falsie off and I'm gonna compare it to my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal True Tester. Is this gonna be my new mascara or am I sticking with Maybelline? Well, guys, we have my Maybelline over here and the Wet n Wild over here. And to be honest with you, I do feel like the Wet n Wild lengthened my lashes right here especially, where these kind of come up short. Yeah, I definitely see this is a little, this has more length to it for sure. Nothing crazy at all compared to the Maybelline, but nevertheless, I do notice there's a little itty bit more length. So yeah, that was it, you guys. Just a short little video. I just wanted to kind of try it out with you guys for the first time and review it with you. You all know me, I love Wet n Wild. They are by far my favorite drugstore brand. And, you know, I just gotta try everything they come up with. So, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought of this product, if you tried it out for yourself. I'm curious to see if it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on experimenting yet again with some more makeup. And I will see you guys in my next video.